How you doing, gardeners? Ed Snyder with Fresh Picked Acres. Glad to have you along today. Today's video is about growing asparagus. Today we're replanting asparagus in our case. And so what I'm going to do, I want to break this up into a couple segments. Right now, let me just say this. This particular asparagus bed field, it had too much shade over it. So we got the Bobcat T66, we got the Skid Pro grapple, we got chainsaws, and we started cutting out a lot of these trees, allowing more sunlight to penetrate onto this field. So we took care of that this winter. The next thing we did is before I mowed the plants down, I went ahead and we borrowed the 3-point hitch. So what we're doing is we're replanting roots within the same row. Hopefully they're straight, but within the same row, we're replanting new roots down those rows where the weeds overtook them, and we had tremendous weed pressure. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to stop right there. Let's get into the action there, and I'm going to show you, and I'll come back to you, and we're going to talk about what are we going to do next at that stage. So right now, let's get that asparagus crowns planted, 5 inches on the very top end of depth. 8 inches is even better unless you have really heavy soils. But I love that 8-inch asparagus crown. That thing is going to give you nice big asparagus. So plus it'll overwinter very well. So at least it does here in eastern Kansas. Let's get to the show. Good morning, everybody. Well, we have a beautiful day. It's our last warm day for about a week. We're going to get back in the 40s and 20s and 17 and things like that, but we're back out here. We've already cleared out all of the trees and stuff like that. So now this is kind of a replant. It isn't the way we originally set it up, but we're going to go ahead and just use the post hole digger to create some 8-inch holes. And we'll just kind of go down the line every foot. We'll try to drop another one in. So basically, they'll be dang near touching. But we're going to line it up with the thing down there. We have some asparagus roots. We're going to do our best, and we're going to go ahead. Now that we have this area opened up, let's try to increase our productivity by having more asparagus. That's what we need to do. Down. Okay. Good. Yep. Good. Forward. Whoa. Okay. Good. Very good. Whoa. Down. Okay. Good. Okay, up. There you go. Forward. Well, we're going to go ahead and finish planting asparagus that we had. Now, a lot of this asparagus we already owned last year and never got in the ground. Delia had a good idea, and she did it. And what she did was she threw a lot of these roots into some soil and just let them go ahead and come up in a bucket. And they did, didn't they, Delia? And they look pretty good. So yeah, you got some really nice crowns there. That's actually quite, new stuff there. So that's exciting.
There's only a couple that, like I said, look kind of iffy, like that one, but you can see a lot of root growing. And
yeah, it's still, yeah. You kept it alive for a year. Probably better than what we did on the other ones, right? So anyway, we'll go out here. We have, I don't know what we got, 50 more to go?
31 here and 5 over there.
31 and 5, so what's that make, 57? 92? All right, folks, well, I'd love to give Delia a hard time. So I remember watching this video where they throw in, it was a cartoon, and they throw down 3 toothpicks, and he says, how many toothpicks is it? And she says, I don't know, 100. Anyways, I gotta play with Delia a little bit on that. So all right, she's getting water. We got it. Let's go get the other ones out of here, Delia, and we'll have this job. We're ready to bring the tractor out. So it's a little nicer out here, and Delia's planting these crowns. I'll let you kind of tell them how you got your old your cutters there, don't you? Yep. Yep. Here, hold on one second. Let me see. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we got it. You know, it's funny. This here was all tilled up, but and I thought I had all the roots all cut out. Of course, I did 2 years ago. So anyway, you're out here just kind of we're down about 8 inches, ain't we? Thereabouts. And Dee's just grabbing the crowns.
Some look better than others.
Yeah. So she's just wrapping them in there.
Covering them up.
Covering them up.
I didn't bring the rake out.
Yeah. You me get the rake?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get the rake for you. Let you talk to the people while you're doing it, Delia. Let me go ahead here and spread these out. I'm just gonna go first come, first serve.
All right.
I know what you want.
I want the good ones to have a better chance of surviving. That's what I want.
I know. Looks like two, but
some of them, yeah, but I don't want to break
growth.
them.
That's got growth on it.
This has growth on it, yeah.
Yep, that's got some growth.
That one looks nice, and it's big.
This one looks very dead.
That was probably from the other batch.
Yep. Were they a lot like this?
A lot of them. Some of them looked reasonably good.
Yeah.
But the ones that were like that, I would put like 2 in there and hope that maybe one of them takes.
Yeah. Well, just stick it in there. We got a hole for each one of them. I'm just going to spread them out.
This is one of the ones that I planted in the bucket.
Yeah.
And just to give it a chance to survive, and they did pretty good.
Yeah.
They did pretty good.
They got new growth.
Yep. I mean, they don't look as plump and fat as the ones we get.
Yeah.
But even this one that looks like pretty dry, it has a little nodule at the top of it.
Yeah. Got a shot.
Yep. I'll show it up close. The whole thing looks pretty dry and sucked up, but it has these little nodules up here that definitely look like they might turn into something. Here's another root if you want to bring those loppers over here.
All right.
They say playing in the dirt is good for your health, so I should be very healthy.
There's quite a few of these with little nodules.
Yeah, they are, and even the ones that don't look that great, if you look, it's got lots of little roots popping out.
Yeah. This is it for them.
5:36. Maybe you always counted. Did you take the tractor all the way back?
There's two there, but boy, they got nodules. Yeah. We gotta dig some holes.
How many?
I won't use the tractor. Yeah, that's got a lot of good growth. Yep. Now we can't harvest these this year, can we?
Nope.
So these small ones that come up from the planting, we'll go ahead and, is that a piece of one?
No, I was looking at it, but I don't think it is.
Okay, well, can't do much about it, but what hurt us here, folks, was all these trees hanging over, and
No sun.
and no sun, yep. And I had tremendous weed pressure those first few years before I kind of found a combination.
And then the one year that the birds decided to bring all the sunflowers in.
Oh my goodness, we had 1 million sunflowers in here. It was we got in here and tried to do it. It was just a disaster. I killed as many of these guys as I was trying to save. I'm just going to put it that way. It was that bad. And I thought I maybe had an idea 2 years ago, and I maybe did a little bit better, but it was a disaster nonetheless. So, yeah. It's our first crop we ever planted, wasn't it, Delia?
It was.
This is our forever type of a spot. Plant one time and never have to do it again.
That's what they said.
That's what we thought. Well, it should have been that way. I think it would be that way today with this. I think we kind of got a little bit better feel on it. But no, that was our big moment there, and we kind of failed that test.
It wasn't a total failure.
No, I mean, we still got a lot of asparagus.
About a 30% failure.
Yeah, I mean, we've sold a lot of asparagus, but without a doubt, it's a good one, and we need it. We need this. So, I mean, we're going to get more asparagus this year. We have to. It's too good of a crop, and we'll get more asparagus coming in this year, and do a little expansion because it takes years. It's like a 3-year deal, really, to start really getting to harvest anything of any consequence. Well, folks, if you like these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. Until we meet again, come grow with us.